Is Sri Vidya a form of Kriya Yoga involving step-by-step growth through mantras and chakra clearing?
These processes are very, very much coordinated with each other, but every process has its unique way of performing it. The Sri Vidya way is a more complex way. You must have a great master who is able to teach you Sri Vidya, its intricacy, and the Mantra Ucharana is a very, very delicate issue. Because even if you have a little wrong in pronunciation, the impact will be different. So that is the reason. Kriya Yoga, the problems are not there. If you did any Kriya wrongly, it doesn't matter, because only thing is you will not get a proper benefit from that. It will not harm you. But mantra, how it reacts, how it works, it's very complex to explain. So what is your tendency? Tendency is for Kriya Yoga, then move from Kriya Yoga. Finally is you have to come to the divine energy. What divine energy within you? It's a power of electricity flowing within you. You will find that electricity either through mantra or through your sadhana or through meditation. Whatsoever way your temperament suits is one and the same. Say, for example, matter. Matter is energy. So matter can be converted into the electrical. Earlier it was thinking matter is different. Now it is very clear matter is energy, and energy can be condensed into the matter. Same way the sound, mantra. Sound is also energy. So if you club sound produced in a very correct way, then it can react with your energy produced by the electricity, and they club both and they can make big impact. I can give you a very correct example of it. You must have seen, if you the big stones, very big stones which have been lifted for making big pyramids. If you look at those stones and those times which are hundred of years old, how they can lift those stones. It's a miracle even for the scientists even today, because there was no cranes there at that time. How they could lift it. They can lift those stones by the technique of mantra yoga and the technique of energy which the matter is having. It's a very delicate, please try to understand it. Stone is having a electric energy. It emits the energy. But if hundreds of people are chanting the mantra, then mantra energy is also becomes very strong. This stone electrical energy and mantra energy, which is also a positive energy, they club together. Then in a proper way, the big stones are lifted and the pyramids are made. You can lift the things when both the energies are clubbed together. They are attract to each other and things get lifted. So same way also, if you are doing the meditation and using the mantra properly, then it will still be very, very fast. But there should not be anything wrong there in chanting the mantra unless and until your master able have already done it and he who has succeeded himself. Otherwise, there may be some issues which come.